afternoon, Year 9s. So today we're going to do some UV editing. We're going to map an image onto our Postman Pat vehicle here. So what we need to do first of all is go to default up here at the top. We're going to click on UV editing. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put an image here, and we're going to map the image, the image onto this design, this 3D model. Okay. So what it does is it takes this 3D image here and it flattens it, so then we can match it to a 2D picture. So this is X, Y, and Z over here, and this is simply X and Y. So there's a lot of complicated mathematics involved, but we don't need to worry too much about that because the computer does that for us. So what we need to do is to open our Postman Pat image. Okay, so here it is. So what we're going to do is rotate our image here so it matches this one, for example. Okay, we're going to match this one. So we try to get it the same layout, same angle as this. So maybe a little bit further down. Okay. So then we're going to do, on this side, we're going to do B, box select. Okay, I didn't like that again either. Let's try open once more, just make sure it's working. Okay. So we should be able to do, if you go down here then, so you have tools, create shading and UVs, and you should see an option that says UV mapping. You click on unwrap, and you want to unwrap on project from view. So unwrap project from view. Hopefully this works. Let's try it and see. There we go. So if I go over here, we should be able to press G to move this, G. Okay, maybe just zoom it out a little bit. We're going to do A to select all, yeah. So we can just do G to grab it. So that was A to select all and then G to grab it, move it over. So it's not 100%, but we should be able to work with it. So let's just press to select to leave it there. So what we need to do now is to line up. So line up all these little squares on the image. So press A to unselect everything, and then you can individually select each of the little corners here. They call them vertices. The lines are edges, and of course these are faces. Okay, when you have 4 of them together like this. Okay. So what you need to do is click on one. I'll zoom in a little bit. So click here, right click to tap on the trackpad, press G, move it to the corner of the Postman Pat vehicle. Again, right click, press G, keep going. Again, press right click, G, grab it, line it up, right click, G, you get the idea. G again, grab, put it there. Okay, and again. Okay. Again, so press right click, G, down there. G. This will be my longest YouTube video. Especially for my year 9s. Oh. Okay, and 2 more to do. Press G again. Okay, zoom out a little bit. Let's press G, grab that one. G, grab it in there. Again, G, press that one. And last one. So line it up. Okay, so that should be it now. So when I change the view here down the bottom from solid to material. Oh, not the wrong one, sorry. It should be texture. There we go. Now we can see we have Postman Pat in our vehicle. So we need to do the same now. We need to do the same on this side. So what we'll do is we'll just take this one over here. We'll simply do a screen, we'll do that one, grab those 4, and the same for the back then. So we can just do the same for the back. Again, you just press A to unselect everything. So I'll do the back one really quickly here. So make sure we don't have anything else selected. Press B. Okay, if it does that, just simply open the image again. Not sure why it's doing that, but it should work okay. Yeah, it's still there, that's fine. Okay, and then we do wrap, unwrap, and then you just simply do click on it, and it's unwrap from project view, and here it is. So press A over there, press G to grab it, and you can even see it on the screen over there. You can see it's starting to come into place. Press A to unselect it, and then you can simply grab the corners again, bring it into place. Press G again. Okay, press G. Press G. And right click again, press G. Okay, so there we go. It should be on there as well. Okay. Last one then, press A to unselect. So we want to get the side view here, so let's go like, so we can only see the side, so we can just like that. So you can hold down shift to pan. Okay. Press B to box select. And again, I've done this, I don't know why, but we'll open it up again. Do unwrap. Project from view. So there it is. So we press G to grab that. Put it there. G. Put it there. G. G. Okay, so there we go. We see Postman Pat on this side as well. Just get that right. G again. G. So here we go. UV mapping. G. So this is how you're able to have complicated images in your 3D games and designs. Makes it much easier for the computer to understand. Okay, last one. There. Okay, so there we go. So if we rotate around here now, we should see all the sides have an image on there. It's not perfect, but you can probably have a bit better play with this and do it yourself. Come up with a better one. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.